Hello and welcome to Web Design Fan Reviews. After a brief hiatus, we are back to bring you all of the cool tools and services that can increase your efficiency and make your life easier on the web. So today we're looking at KISSInsights, a survey tool used to gather feedback, demographics, and any other information you would want from the users on your website. And the best part is you get it directly from them. So right now we are looking at the KISSInsights dashboard, which is pretty much where all the action takes place. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. We got the create a new survey button up here, though for the purpose of this demo I've of course already made my own survey. What is really cool about this tool is you can target specific pages with specific questions. This obviously comes in handy for a variety of situations, most notably maybe an e-commerce site where you'd like to see why shoppers are abandoning their shopping carts, or someone who's canceling a subscription on your website. KISSInsights delivers an easy and basically less annoying way to gather answers as to why this is happening and gives you real actionable data that you can work with. So first of all, let's take a look at the create a survey page right here. As you can see, they have a number of typical questions already laid out for almost any situation, but keep in mind you can also make your own question and fill in the possible choices. So in addition to the question and answer portion, KISSInsights also gives you freedom to present the question in any way you'd like. So first of all, let's pick one out here. Let's just go to have you recommended this product to anyone. Select that, and once you choose this, you can actually choose who should be prompted to take the survey, what page it will appear on, only to display to referred traffic, and on and on. It also allows you to redirect those who answer to a thank you page or another page, which is a pretty nice touch. Down here, as you can see, you can also choose the theme of the survey pop up, and depending on if your theme is light or dark. So it's really pretty powerful on the back end. So now that we've seen this, let's hop back to the dashboard real quick and check out my pre-existing survey. So I've had this up for 12 days now, and I've restricted it to one page so as not to overwhelm the visitor as a web design fan. We've gotten a fair number of responses to check out, so let's do that. Also, as a note, the average response rate to these surveys is about 5% or lower. So on this specific question, we actually got a 2.6% response rate. So don't expect everyone to answer your question. Don't be too disappointed when you're not lighting it up with 90% response rates. It's pretty standard. So anyway, as you can see, once you hop onto the specific question panel, you can do a number of things, from seeing an overview of the responses like we're doing right now, to organize by the date, by the operating system or the browser, and you can even cycle through individual responses here, it comes in handy when you actually are asking someone for a write-in response. So you can just cycle through each thing and see what people said. So as you can see here, someone told us that they found us through Facebook. Okay, so that kind of does it for the back end. Like I said, it's a pretty straightforward system. So let's hop on over to the front end, which in this case would be webdesignfan.com, and see what this thing actually looks like on your website. So as you can see, once you get here, it's actually just in the right-hand corner here, and I picked the dark template to display. Since I have a light website, it kind of gives you the contrast that you want people to be able to find the survey. So it's minimized here. You can maximize it. It doesn't become too annoying or get in the way unless you actually interact with it, which is nice. So as you can see, I have the how did you hear about us question set up here. Let's go here. Let's say through search results, and boom, thank you, your response has been sent. Like I said, you can actually customize this thank you message and redirect someone to a different page if you'd like to do that. I didn't choose to do that, so this is what you get from my specific choices. So anyway, another great thing to show you is, let me open up a new browser here, and when you go to the website that it's on, so in this case, once again, it would be Web Design Fan, the survey will actually remember the way that you interacted with it. So what that means is, for instance, right now, as you can see, the survey is maximized on the page right off the bat, and if I refresh the page, it will stay maximized. Just bear with me as we refresh here. It stays maximized. If I minimize it, on the other hand, and I refresh the page, it's minimized. So it remembers where you're going with it, it remembers the way you act with it, and it doesn't just get in people's faces. Is really one of the best features of everything. So anyway, you can run surveys on up to 5 domains from one account. with Kiss Insights. And like I said before, it's a non-intrusive way to gather feedback, and honestly, I highly recommend it. I'll actually be using it on a few e-commerce sites going forward, and I'm pretty excited to see what kind of feedback I can get. But that's pretty much it. That's Kiss Insights, available at KISSinsights.com. Thanks for joining us on Web Design Fan Reviews, and next week I'll have another video for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope everybody has a good holiday. Take care.